It's Ellie from Fosmon, and today we are going to set up your PS5 6-in-1 USB hub extender. Let's get started. Knowing your product. On the front side of the hub, there are 6 ports, transforming your front 2 USB ports into 6 for efficient device connection on your PS5. On the top is a Type-C port for data transmission. Below that is a regular USB port, non-data transmission port, that can only charge. This port doesn't support data, so it can only be used to charge up your devices. The 4 ports below support data transmission, so they can be used to charge as well as data transfers. Lastly is the indicator light. This lets you know that there is power going to the hub extender, so it's ready to be used. On the back side, you'll see 2 ports, the USB-A connector and the USB-C connector, as well as an adhesive tape you can peel off for extra stability. This makes it so that your USB hub extender sticks more securely to the front of your PS5. Never worry about your USB hub extender accidentally getting pulled out. This USB hub is not compatible with external hard disk drives. Compatibility. Before we go any further, let's make sure that you have the compatible device for your specific PS5. The USB hub works with first generation PS5 digital and disc edition only. Installation. First, peel off the adhesive tape on the back of the product. This will make sure that the USB hub extender sticks better to your console, offering more of a solid connection. Line up the hub extender's USB-A and USB-C connectors to your PS5 console's USB-A and USB-C ports, then lightly push the extender so that the USB connectors make contact with the PS5's ports until they are slightly inserted. You can go ahead and apply more pressure and push the rest of the extender in so that it is fully flush with the PS5. You may feel some resistance, and you might need to use extra force to get them to properly connect. Power on your PS5, and the LED indicator on the front should light up, meaning that the USB connector has proper power and that it is working properly. Any USB cables or accessories you plug in should work now. No drivers needed. Sleep and rest mode on your PS5. Keep in mind that you can change your PS5's sleep-rest modes to always so that your PS5's USB ports are always powered on, even if you have your PS5 in sleep or rest mode. Frequently asked questions. I can't connect the USB hub extender to the PS5 console. Make sure you properly line up the USB hub extender USB connectors to the PS5's USB-A and USB-C ports. Once they are properly aligned, you will feel some resistance, but you will be safe to push and fully connect the two together. Why is the USB hub extender not connecting fully to the PS5 console? Make sure it's properly lined up and then apply a little more pressure to get it to properly connect. You might feel a little resistance, but you should be safe to push more if they are properly aligned. My USB extender is plugged in, but isn't getting any power. The USB hub extender gets power from the PS5, so if you don't power on your PS5, the USB hub extender won't get any power. Power up your PS5 while the USB hub extender is connected, and the LED light indicator should light up, indicating that the USB hub extender is getting power. Now that you have installed your PS5 6-in-1 USB hub extender properly, and you have your devices connected, you can rest easy and game on. See you next time.